Today I will start this chapter number 9. This is 9 number given in my book because my book is old. Okay, maybe is something different in your book, maybe chapter number 11 or chapter number 12. Chapter name is dictionary. Some of the topics I explained in before the exam, but today onwards I will start again the same chapter. Chapter name is dictionary. Dictionary and list both are same because list is a mutable type. Similarly, dictionary is also a type of mutable. Means here in dictionary, we can change an element according to their key, not their index. Means in dictionary, we can store element in a key value pair. In a dictionary, we will store values in the form of key value pair. Now look this. Dictionary means key value pairs. Dictionary are simply another type of collections in Python, but with a twist. Twist means here elements are stored in a key value pair, not a simply in the form of values. Look this, rather than having an index associated with each data item, dictionary in Python have a key and a value of that key. Means first key means through the key we can identify an item and value is associated with that particular key. Look this definition. Dictionaries are mutable, or you know very well the meaning of mutable or the difference between mutable and immutable. Second word is given here, unordered. Unordered means just like in dictionary, just like in list tuple, we get element through their index number in a sequential manner. Like first we get zeroth index element, then first index element, then second index element. Whereas in dictionary, here it is unordered. Unordered means any number of element we get any time. ठीक है, कहीं पर भी हमें वो एलिमेंट मिल सकता है without any sequence. Look the definition. Dictionaries are mutable, unordered collection with elements in the form of key value pairs. Key value pairs that associated keys to values. Means here key and value both are attached, both are concatenated. Okay, and separate by this colon sign. First we have to write key and then we have to write value of this particular key. This is separated by colon sign. Now look this. Dictionaries are containers that associate keys to value. This is in a way similar to list. In list, you must remember the index value of an element from the list. But with the case of dictionary here, you will have to know the key to find the element in the dictionary. Means here we get dictionary element through their keys, whereas in list we get element through their index or their position. Now, the next point is how we will create a dictionary. We create a dictionary, we need to include key value pair in the curly braces. You know very well, curly braces is written like this, curly braces. So inside the curly braces, you have to write first key and then colon sign, after that value, then comma, another key, colon, then next value, like this. In this manner, you have to create dictionary. For example, look this teachers. Teachers is a dictionary. Or how we create dictionary? First we write curly braces, then name of the key. So key is dimple. Dimple is a key, colon. Its value is computer science. So dimple is a teacher of subject computer science. Clear? So this is the first element with key value pair. So here key is dimple and the value is computer science. Similarly, next one, Karin, subject is sociology. Then Harpreet, then subject is mathematics. In this manner, you have to create a dictionary. Look this. Here dictionary by the name of teachers, means name of the dictionary is teachers, that store the name of teachers as key, name of the teacher as a key, and subject being taught by them as a value. So this computer science, this sociology, mathematics, legal study, these are the subjects, or you can say these are the value of that particular keys. Now notice that. So dictionary always begin or end with curly braces. The curly brackets mark the beginning and end of the dictionary. Then each entry, means key value pair, consists of a pair separated by a colon. Means key and value are separated by colon sign. Clear? Then the key value pair are separated by commas. Now look this, first key, then value, after that comma sign, then again key value, then put comma. So key value pairs are separated by comma. If we have more than one entry, then we have to put comma while creating dictionary. Then now look this table, key value pair. These are the key value pair. In that keys are written here and the values are written here. Any doubt in this, how we create a dictionary? If anybody having doubt, please ask. Anushka, Arora, Rohit, Shruti, Aditya, Priyan Sharma, Piyush, Diya. Any confusion?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Any doubt? Reply
No,
immediately.
sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. All clear.
No, sir.
Now, some more examples are given here, like days in months. This is the name of the dictionary. January is a key and 31 is a value. Similarly, February is a key and 28 is a value. So means days in month is given in this dictionary. Means how many days are available in a particular month. Like in January 31 days, February 28, March 31, April 30, like this. Clear? Or suppose that you want to create an empty dictionary, so simply you have to write dictionary name, after that equal sign, and then curly braces open and curly braces close. No need to give element inside the curly brackets. Next, one thing that you must know is that key of dictionary must be of immutable types. Clear? Means you don't create mutable type key. Like in this example, dictionary 3 is equals to curly braces start, then 2 comma 3 is written in big bracket. That means this is a list. This is a list, colon ABC. That means this is the value of that particular list. If you write this and press enter key, you will get an error. Name of the error is unhashable type, that is list, because list is a type of mutable, or as I read earlier, keys of dictionary must be of immutable type. So you don't write here mutable type value. Here either you use number, string, or something else. Then next topic is accessing element of dictionary. How will you access element in a dictionary? Here we don't write index number because it is an unordered collection. Unordered means sequence तो होता ही नहीं है, ठीक है? So here we get elements by their key. Look this. While accessing element from a dictionary, you need the key. While in list, the elements are accessed through their index. So in list, we get element through their index, whereas in dictionary, we get element through their key. मतलब की का इंपॉर्टेंट रोल है यहाँ पर, जिसके थ्रू हम एलिमेंट को एक्सेस कर पाते हैं डिक्शनरी में. इसमें इंडेक्स नहीं होती हैं क्योंकि इंडेक्स तभी आएगी जब एलिमेंट सीक्वेंशियल ऑर्डर में होंगे, और जबकि डिक्शनरी में एलिमेंट सीक्वेंशियल ऑर्डर में नहीं होते हैं. ये अनऑर्डर्ड कलेक्शन होता है हमारा, ठीक है. सो हाउ वी गेट, फर्स्ट राइट नेम ऑफ द डिक्शनरी एंड आफ्टर दैट देयर की. If you write like this, then you will get corresponding value. Now look this. Teachers. Teachers is the name of dictionary and Kareem is the key. A corresponding value is sociology. So you will get value according to their key. Now next, another example. D equals to vowel 1 A, vowel 2 E, vowel 3 I, vowel 4 G O, and vowel 5 U. So this is a key value pair. Here vowel 1, vowel 2, vowel 3, 4 and 5, these are the 5 keys, and corresponding values are A, E, I or O or U last. If you write D, if you write simply D, so you will get answer in this manner. Maybe a reverse manner or maybe unordered manner, and unordered manner. Okay, this time it is displaying in a reversing manner. Means first vowel 5 and then 4, then vowel 3, then vowel 2 and then vowel 1. ठीक है, इट डिस्प्ले एट रैंडम, किसी भी थ्रू किसी भी मैनर में ये डिस्प्ले हो सकता है क्योंकि ये अनऑर्डर्ड कलेक्शन है. ये सीक्वेंशियल मैनर में नहीं आएगा. ये नहीं कि पहले वोवल 1 ए ही आना चाहिए, देन वोवल 2 ई ही आना चाहिए, देन वोवल 3 आई. ऐसा नहीं होगा इसमें. ये किसी भी ऑर्डर में डिस्प्ले हो सकता है, ठीक है. नाउ इफ यू वांट टू गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ वोवल 1, देन you will write simply name of the dictionary. This time the name of the dictionary is D and the key is vowel 1. Then you will get answer A because the value of vowel 1 is A. Similarly, value of vowel 4 is O. Then next example is D13. D13. Then it will generate an error. Why? Because 13 number, that is a key, is not exist in the dictionary. That's why it will generate an error. Look this. Attempting to access a key that does not exist causes an error. मतलब ऐसी कोई की जिसको आप एक्सेस करना चाहते हो लेकिन वो की डिक्शनरी के अंदर अवेलेबल ही नहीं है, देन इट विल जनरेट एन एरर. तभी वो एरर देगा, अदरवाइज नहीं देगा. नेक्स्ट, ट्रैवर्सिंग अ डिक्शनरी. हाउ विल यू ट्रैवर्स अ डिक्शनरी? बोलो. एक मिनट. Traversing a dictionary. How will you traverse, or how will you access and process each and every element in the dictionary? Look this. The traversal of a collection means accessing and processing each element of it. Thus, traversing a dictionary also means the same, and same is a tool for it. Means it works with Python loop. Means each or every element we get through the help of loop, that is called for loop. Look for then item in dictionary and then process each item here. Now look with the help of example. Here D1 is a name of the dictionary. If you want to write your dictionary in multi-line manner, then you have to use this backward slash. Backward slash. First key value pair means first entry, after the second entry, then third entry. Here it will not generate any error because 1 comma 2, this is written inside the tuple, or tuple is the immutable type. Then for key in D1, so D1 is the dictionary and key is item. Key is the item. That means print key. Key means a या 5 और 1 comma 2 कोलन D1 की जो की यहाँ पर आएगी उसके करस्पॉन्डिंग ही ये वैल्यू डिस्प्ले करेगा. ऐसा कुछ नेसेसरी नहीं है कि पहले नंबर पे 5 ही आएगा, सेकंड नंबर पे A ही आएगा और लास्ट में 1,2 ही आएगा. ऐसा नेसेसरी नहीं है, कोई भी कभी भी आ सकता है. ठीक है, बिकॉज इट इज अनऑर्डर्ड कलेक्शन. किसी भी मैनर में डिस्प्ले हो सकते हैं. So display first A colon string, then second में 1 comma 2, then tuple and 5 colon number. So 5 is a number. In this manner it will display. Next, write a program to create a font dictionary for all your friends and then print them. Now this is the font dictionary. Font DICT, this is the name of the dictionary, equals to name and their corresponding phone number, then name, then number, then name, number, like this. This is the dictionary. And then if you want to print this, you have to use for loop, then key. This is the key name in font dictionary. Clear? So first value will come in name, means first key will come in name, and according to the key, it will display one by one. So all the elements are processed, which are written in the dictionary. So this is the way you have to traverse each and every element in the dictionary. Look this note. Dictionaries
Excuse me, sir.
are unordered set of elements. The printed order of element is not same as the order you stored the elements in. ठीक है, जिस ऑर्डर में आपने स्टोर किए थे ऐसा कोई नेसेसरी नहीं है उसी ऑर्डर में ये डिस्प्ले करें. इसका ऑर्डर डिफरेंट हो सकता है बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ऑन अनऑर्डर्ड सेट ऑफ एलिमेंट्स, क्योंकि डिक्शनरी जो होती है अनऑर्डर्ड कलेक्शन होती है इसलिए. नेक्स्ट, accessing keys or value
Sir?
means how will you get all the keys at once or how will you get all the values at once. So for this you have two functions, one is keys function and second one is values function.
Sir?
To see all the keys in a dictionary in one go means all the key at once, so you have to write dictionary name dot keys, dictionary name dot keys. And if you want to get all the values at once, then you have to write dictionary dot values, like this. D dot dictionaries, then all the keys you will get, D dot keys likha, and then you will get all the keys, and then D dot values, then you will get all the values of this dictionary. Now, characteristics of a dictionary means what are the features of dictionary. So look these features. Dictionaries are like list, means सेम होते हैं जैसे लिस्ट होती है, बिकॉज दे बोथ आर म्यूटेबल. तो डिक्शनरी लाइक लिस्ट आर म्यूटेबल एंड दैट is the only similarity they have with list. Otherwise, dictionaries are different type of data structure. Why it is different type? Because in dictionary we have to use या we will use key value pair, और बाकी किसी में भी हम key value pair use नहीं करते हैं. ठीक है. So only similarity is according to the mutability. ठीक है, म्यूटेबल है ये, तो डिक्शनरी एंड लिस्ट बोथ आर म्यूटेबल, बट वैसे देखा जाए तो दोनों के दोनों क्या है, डिफरेंट हैं. तो डिक्शनरीज आर डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ डेटा स्ट्रक्चर. नाउ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स फर्स्ट, अनऑर्डर्ड सेट. अनऑर्डर्ड सेट मींस अनऑर्डर्ड कलेक्शन. एज आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, बता दिया मैंने आपको ये. डिक्शनरी इज अ unordered set of key values pair. Its value can contain references to any type of object. Next, not a sequence. This point is same as previous one. Sequence में भी नहीं होता है, तो मतलब unordered है तो sequence में नहीं होगा. Unlike a string, list, tuple, a dictionary is not a sequence, but because it is unordered set of elements. Then next है indexed by keys, not number. Indexed by keys, like in list we have to give index position, means index value to get any element from the list. ठीक है, whereas in dictionary we have to provide keys instead of index. हमें यहाँ पर क्या प्रोवाइड करना पड़ता है, कीज प्रोवाइड करनी पड़ती है, ना कि इंडेक्स. क्योंकि इंडेक्स तभी होगी जब एलिमेंट सिक्वेंशियल ऑर्डर में होंगे. यहाँ पर एलिमेंट सिक्वेंशियल ऑर्डर में होंगे नहीं, और हमें एक्सेस करने के लिए कुछ ना कुछ चाहिए, तो हम किसके थ्रू एक्सेस करेंगे, की के थ्रू. तो डिक्शनरीज आर इंडेक्स्ड बाय कीज. अकॉर्डिंग टू पाइथन, अ की कैन बी एनी नॉन म्यूटेबल टाइप. Since strings and numbers are not mutable, you can use them as a key in a dictionary. If a tuple contains immutable objects such as integers or string, etc., then only it can also be used as a key. Now look this example. Dictionary 0 colon 0 value for key 0. So 0 is in number. 1 is also in number. 3 is the form of string. 4, 5 is a form of tuple. Clear? So here you can also use tuple as a key, because tuple is a type of immutable. ठीक है, तो जो इम्यूटेबल चीजें होंगी उनको आप ले सकते हो एज अ की, नो प्रॉब्लम. ठीक है, तो डिक्शनरी 1 0, तो यू विल गेट करस्पॉन्डिंग वैल्यू, बिकॉज दिस इज द 0 is a key of integer type. Then similarly 4, 5 is a key of tuple type, like this. Next point is keys must be unique. Each keys within a dictionary must be unique, since keys are used to identify values in a dictionary. ठीक है, तो की होनी चाहिए आपकी वो यूनिक होनी चाहिए. You cannot use duplicate keys in dictionary. Here you can write multiple values, means same values, no problem, but key जो होनी चाहिए वो आपकी क्या होनी चाहिए, यूनिक होनी चाहिए. वैल्यू आपकी डुप्लीकेट हो जाएंगी चलेगा, ठीक है, लेकिन दो कीज आपकी यूनिक होनी चाहिए, की आपकी सेम नहीं होनी चाहिए. Next is mutable. Like list, dictionary is also mutable. We can change the value of certain key in place using the assignment statement. Like for example, consider this dictionary, dictionary 1 3. The value of for a string as a key. If we want to change this value, so we can change to new string. So this is the value of की 3. जो की 3 की पहली जो 3 ये था, ये 3 आपकी की थी और इसकी वैल्यू थी आपकी वैल्यू फॉर स्ट्रिंग एज अ की. अब इस की तो सेम रहेगी, की नहीं बदलेगी, वैल्यू बदल जाएगी, उस की के कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग वैल्यू बदलेगी. अब जो वैल्यू हो गई वो चेंज्ड टू न्यू स्ट्रिंग, ये आपकी वैल्यू हो गई. तो जब आप ये पास करोगे डिक्शनरी 1 3, then you will get new value that is changed to new string. So you can change because dictionary is a type of mutable. Next, if you want to add a new key value pair in a dictionary, so simply you can use simple assignment statement. You have to write and you add one new key value pair like this. Dictionary 1 new equals to a new pair is added. So here key is new and the value is a new pair is added. So when you have to write dictionary 1, you will get this answer, this output. At the end, you have to you see here new colon a new pair is added. This is the value. ठीक है, ये की वैल्यू पेयर में ऐड हो जाएगी. तो इजिली यू कैन ऐड और अपडेट एनी वैल्यू in the dictionary because dictionary is a type of mutable. Then internally stored as mapping. अंदर कैसे मैपिंग होती है उसके साथ ये लिखा रखा है. ठीक है, की 1 के साथ वैल्यू 1, देन की 2 वैल्यू 2, देन की 3 वैल्यू 3, देन की 4 वैल्यू 4 लाइक दिस. ठीक है, तो internally the key value pair of a dictionary are associated with one another with some internal function. That internal function is called hash function. This way of linking is called mapping. So ये एक mapping हो रही है आपकी. Then working with dictionary. First is multiple ways of creating dictionary. One way we have seen, if we write opening curly braces or closing curly braces without any content, means without any key value pair, that means that type of dictionary is called empty dictionary. If we write curly braces start and that first entry with key value pair and then second entry with key value pair, or both are separated by commas, so in this way we have to create a dictionary. Or some other ways we also have to create a dictionary. So look this, इसके अलावा कौन से मेथड्स होते हैं वो आप देखो यहाँ पर, ये लिखा है ना, you have learned to create dictionary by enclosing key value pair in curly braces. There are other ways of creating dictionary too that we are going to discuss here. First one, initializing a dictionary. In this method, all the keys value pair of dictionary are written collectively, separated by commas and enclosed in curly braces. This we have seen already. Employees is a name of dictionary equal to curly braces start, then name is a key and John is a value. Both are separated by colon because this is a key and that one is a value. So key value pair. Okay. First entry and second entry both are separated by comma like this. The second one is adding key colon value pair to an empty dictionary. So how we add key value pair in an empty dictionary? So to create an empty dictionary first, so first empty dictionary, or we know that how we create, first curly braces start, then curly braces close, then by using dictionary constructor dict as shown below like this. This is the another method to create empty dictionary. And after the empty dictionary, after creating the empty dictionary, you have to write here key and its corresponding value. So in this manner, you have to add one key value pair in the empty dictionary. So this is the way to add a key value pair in an empty dictionary.